Okay, so this is a bit of an introduction to how you can use Kodu. So firstly, this is the menu that comes up and you need to press New World because that's what you're going to create, a brand new world. So this is what you start with, which is obviously just a little bit of grass. Now, things to be able to build up your world, we have got some land here. Now this is how you change the colours, by clicking on that. Click up the top, and then it's all arrow keys to decide what you want instead. So if I then decide that I would like this type of land, I click on it, and you can see that's quite small. And I can add to it, do like that. Or if I'd like it to be a circle, I can click on that. Okay. Or if I want it to be much bigger, I can use the arrow keys, and you can see that the space that the land's going to fill is much larger. So I click on that. Okay, so that's a nice simple way. You can have lots of different types of land as well. So if I go for this one, I will have a bit of that. I don't want to take up so much space though, so I go like that. So if you look at if you want to look at your world from a different angle, if you click on the hand, then you can use the right mouse key to tip it up, and then you can zoom in and out with the mouse, which is quite helpful because then you can see what you're looking at. Right, so that's what my world looks like at the moment. Not particularly exciting. I can add some hills, and I can smooth the hills. I can make them more rounded hills rather than blocky by clicking on that. This depends on how smooth the hills are, so I'm going to make them very smooth. And you can see like that. Now I'm going to make a little bit of an area here, which means that I can have some water here, because water flows in the way that water would normally flow. So if it goes too high, it's going to fill up the land. So I'm going to click down. This is using the left mouse key button to fill up, and then the right mouse key button to reduce the amount of water. Now, like land, there's lots of different types of water. So if I get rid of my water, and then I click on here, and choose a different type of water. Now, my favourite one is the lava. So I'm going to click on number 7, and you can see it's starting to fill up. Again, I've gone a bit too high, so I'm going to use the right mouse key and go down. Okay, so the best thing to do is just have a bit of an explore with some of these buttons and decide what you want to do. So that's how you create a very basic world using arrow keys to make your land larger, selecting different coloured tiles, different shaped cubes or circles for your land. Okay.